You don't need a fancy camera to make over $1,000 a month from your YouTube channel. What you need is a system, a step-by-step process, and the right tools. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I make viral AI-powered short videos for faceless YouTube channels. By the time you're done watching, you'll know how to do it too, even if you're starting from zero. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to automate and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video, because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. Step 1. Set up your channel. Let's start at the very beginning, creating your YouTube channel. Now, this might seem simple, but there's more to it than just hitting create account. You're not just making a channel, you're building a brand, even if it's faceless. Let's say we're making a health-focused channel. Why health? Because it's an evergreen niche. People are always looking for advice on how to live better, feel better, and look better. Plus, it opens up opportunities to promote products like supplements later on. But you can apply this process to many niches such as relationships, productivity, and finance. Once you've decided on the niche, you need a name. This is where most people overthink things. Your channel name doesn't need to be a work of art. It needs to be memorable, easy to spell, and relevant to your niche. To come up with a name, I can head over to ChatGPT and type this. ChatGPT will give you a range of suggestions. Pick one that feels natural, but also stands out. After choosing a name, it's time to write your channel description. You want it to be concise, engaging, and clear about what viewers can expect. This is where emojis come in handy. They make the text pop and feel more modern. I can ask ChatGPT for help again. This bio might seem like a small detail, but it's the first thing people see when they check out your channel. A good bio makes them feel like, yes, this is exactly the kind of content I'm looking for. Now that you've got the basics covered, let's move on to your logo. Your logo is the face of your faceless channel. It doesn't need to be complicated, but it does need to look professional. This is where AI tools like Leonardo AI come in. It's free, intuitive, and perfect for creating high-quality designs. You can sign up for free using the link in the description. Before I start designing, I can go back to ChatGPT and type in a prompt like this. Copy the prompt it gives you and paste it into Leonardo AI. The AI will generate a polished logo that reflects your channel's theme. Step 2. Write a script. Once your channel setup is done, it's time to focus on the real meat, content creation. This is where most people get stuck because they feel overwhelmed. But you don't need to create ideas out of thin air. Start by looking at what's already working. Go to YouTube and type in health tips. Look for shorts that are getting tons of views. Those are your inspiration. Here's a video I found. When you find a video you like, you'll need its transcript. To get that, use a free tool like Tactic. Here, you just need to paste the video link and download the transcript. Now, this is important. Don't copy it word for word. That's lazy and won't help you build a unique brand. Instead, use ChatGPT to rewrite it, paste the transcript into ChatGPT, and give it this instruction. Tweak the script if you need to, and then move on to the next step. Step 3. Generate a voiceover. You don't need to hire someone or record yourself if you're not comfortable. I use 11 Labs, an AI-powered voice generator. You can sign up for a free account using the link in the description. It's very simple to use. You paste your script, pick a tone, friendly, professional, energetic, whatever matches your content, and let the tool do its magic. The result is a high-quality voiceover that sounds like a real person. This step alone saves you hours and makes your video sound professional. But what's a good script and voiceover without visuals? Step 4. Generate footage and visuals. This is where your video comes to life. To create stunning visuals, ask ChatGPT for prompts. I can say something like this. Once you have these prompts, go back to Leonardo AI and start generating. The best part is that these visuals are custom-made for your script, which means they'll feel cohesive and unique. Then, Just head to Leonardo AI and paste each prompt in. The tool will generate AI images. To animate these images, you can just hover over the image, click on Generate Motion Video, adjust the motion strength, and then generate a video from the image. Animation adds energy and keeps viewers hooked. This is especially important for shorts, where you only have a few seconds to grab attention. Step 5. Edit the video. With your script, voiceover, and visuals ready, it's time to edit. I use CapCut for this. It's user-friendly and works great for beginners. Start by importing all your downloaded files into CapCut. Arrange the visuals in sync with the voiceover. Pay attention to timing. You want the visuals to match what's being said. If there are awkward pauses or sections where nothing happens, trim them out. Add captions too. A lot of people watch videos without sound, so captions make your content more accessible. You can add this easily with CapCut's Auto Captions feature. Don't forget to add transitions between scenes. Smooth transitions make your video feel professional and keep it from looking choppy. CapCut also has built-in filters and color grading options. Use these to give your video a polished, cohesive look. Think of this step as the final touch that takes your content from good to great. Now, let's add some music. Background music sets the tone and makes your video feel complete. Epidemic Sound is my go-to for royalty-free tracks. Their library is massive, and you can find something for every mood. Pick a track that complements your content. If it's upbeat health tips, go for something energetic but not distracting. Download the audio, then add it to CapCut. Adjust the volume so it supports the voiceover, rather than overpowering it. When you're happy with the final video, go ahead and download it. Step 6. Optimize your video. Before you upload, let's make sure your video gets seen. This is where SEO comes in. vidIQ is the best tool to use to optimize your title, description, and tags. You can sign up for a free vidIQ account using the link in the description. vidIQ can suggest trending keywords and show you how to craft a title that grabs attention. Combine these keywords with a thumbnail that pops, bold text, bright colors, and a clear focal point. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression, so make it count. Step 7. Monetize your channel. To be eligible for YouTube's partner program, you need at least 1,000 followers and 10 million public views on your YouTube shorts. These goals are achievable if you stay consistent and focused. But don't wait for ad revenue to roll in. You can start promoting affiliate products from the get-go. For a health channel, supplements are a natural fit. I can ask ChatGPT, what kind of health supplement would be best to promote based on this script? Once you have a product idea, look for something similar on an affiliate marketplace like ClickBank and copy your affiliate link. Then, include this affiliate link in your video description. This way, you're earning from day one. This process works because it's structured, scalable, and leverages tools that make your life easier. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to level up, this is the blueprint to follow. Now it's your turn. Take action and make it happen. If you have any questions about how to grow your YouTube channel, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. Where are you at in your YouTube automation journey? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.